How you doing? You've been following along all this time, and we've been talking stencils. We went from the beginner to the novice to the more advanced stencil here with the skull. The one thing that you need to remember is when I was growing up, my dad always told me the KISS method. KISS method. Gooder English with Mike again. Anyway, KISS is keep it simple, stupid. Notice I only cut the outline. I cut the eyes out on this to make the skull. The outline is just basically for the positive. The ball, just a simple circle. Not only can you make it a basketball, you can make a softball, you can make a volleyball, you can make anything you want with it. Again, the flames, just cut the outlines on it. If I wanted to, I could have made 16 different stencils for every single kind of ball there is. Sometimes, like a soccer ball, I do cut it out with a stencil. Cut your circle, learn how to draw the curves that you want to make the ball. The skull, the same way. I could have went in there and cut all the lines, like if I wanted a crack in the top of his head or if I wanted the teeth. You could do all that if you wanted to. What you got to do is you got to practice to see without actually seeing it. In other words, you know where it's at and you could follow along with the airbrush even though it's not there. And all that does is save you time. And time is money whenever you're trying to make money at this business. On cars, t-shirts, whatever you're doing. Thank you.